Reclamation's power plants use complex electrical and mechanical machinery to pass water through the system to make releases to the rivers, which require periodic maintenance or repair. In this case, we are doing some repairs on the power plant. Reclamation's preference is always to use the power plants to pass the water through. It gives the benefit of carbon-free electricity for water that has to be moved downstream, regardless of how it's processed. In this case, because the power plant isn't fully available to pass the total amount of water, some of the water has to be sent down the spillway. Spillway releases can vary in length depending on the amount of time needed to do a repair or to take care of a maintenance item that may need to be handled. Reclamation's releases over the spillway amount to the same volume of water that they would release through the power plant. This means that the same amount of water goes downstream regardless of where it's coming from, either from the power plant, which does not have a very visible release, or from a spillway or outlet tube, which is much more visible to the naked eye.